We're getting some big breaking update now coming in from the Mumbai Session Court. The Mumbai Session Court has now rejected Ria's bail plea. Not just that, we're also getting further updates coming in of all the accused. Bail has now been rejected, which also includes Ria and Shouvik Chakravarti. That's the latest update they're coming in at this point. All the accused bail plea has been rejected. So there is going to be no bail for both Ria and for the accused. Let's quickly get in some reactions they're coming in.
What happened in the court? Can you briefly tell us? Can you please tell us?
Right, we'll try and get more updates there coming in at this point. And this is, of course, the latest update. In a big setback there coming in, the Mumbai Session Court has rejected Ria's bail plea. In fact, it has rejected the bail of all the accused in this case, which includes Ria, Shouvik, Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant. More reactions there coming in at this point. Let's listen in.
दिया तो खाली इतना कहा है कि ऑल एप्लीकेशंस आर रिजेक्टेड।
आप किसके लिए अपीयर हो रहे थे?
दीपेश सावंत।
अब्दुल्ला, पूरा नाम क्या है आपका?
एडवोकेट अब्दुल्ला मखनूजिया।
MAKNOJIA।
All right, we'll try and get more updates now coming in at this point. We are looking at those updates coming in where the Mumbai court has rejected Ria's bail plea. In fact, the Mumbai court has rejected the bail of all the accused in this case at this point. Remember, this was a very crucial hearing that was taking place yesterday where both the sides had argued, and there were several grounds that Ria's side has put out, which included saying that her statements were in fact coerced, but the NCB had opposed the bail, saying that she is part of a larger drug syndicate, and the fact that there is a potential of influencing the witness if let on bail. Now we're getting those breaking updates coming in where the Mumbai Session Court has rejected the bail plea of all the accused in this case, which includes Ria Chakravarti, Shouvik Chakravarti, Dipesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda at this point. So those are the big updates coming in, and a big blow and a setback there coming in for Ria Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti and others accused in this case.
Some kind of implication on this particular bail order, Swati, because the session court has not given the bail, because the session court wants the special court, although this is a court for sessions court, but this is a court where the special court of NCB is situated, which is related to narcotic cases. On the other side, the court must have seen in the observation that the statement which were recorded in the 67 of NDPS Act, were a voluntary statement. So that signed copy could not have been signed by a literate person like Ria Chakravarti, Shouvik Chakravarti. So the court understands this point, that for the basis of the core investigation, for the larger conspiracy, for all those details which are still expected to come out, these people, these individuals being released on bail could hamper the investigation. Henceforth, the bail would have been rejected. Although we are still awaiting the exact order copy, but by experience of these kind of sensitive cases, where the court wants the investigating agency to proceed the investigation for the larger interest of the country, for the larger interest of the investigation, this bail would have been rejected. And the claim that there was a forceful...
Only it's been announced that the order bail applications are rejected. No reasoning has been given yet. कोई रीजनिंग नहीं दिया अभी तक, रीजनिंग आई नहीं, अवेलेबल नहीं, इट विल बी अवेलेबल सून।
क्या लग रहा है क्यों खारिज हुई?
वी कांट से एनीथिंग, वी आर नॉट एट दैट पोजीशन। दीपेश सावंत, एडवोकेट अली बुबेरे एंड अब्दुल्ला।
Sir, what happened in the court? Can you briefly tell us? Can you please tell us? सर, आप बताइए, आपने हियरिंग पूरी सुनी है?
आज हियरिंग हुआ ही नहीं है, आज सिर्फ ऑर्डर था।
ऑर्डर से आप उस दौरान मौजूद थे वहाँ पे, तो जज ने अपने ऑर्डर में क्या कहा?
ऑल एप्लीकेशन आर रिजेक्टेड, उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं कहा है जज ने।
कल जो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हुई थी, काफी डिटेल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स थी, क्या ये कारण हो सकता है कि डिटेल ऑर्डर लिखने में समय लग रहा है, इसलिए खाली
नहीं
पार्ट जो उन्होंने बोल दिया?
ऑपरेटिव पार्ट ने, जज ने अपना पूरा ऑर्डर पास कर दिया है, बट खाली जब उसने ऑर्डर दिया तो खाली इतना कहा है कि ऑल एप्लीकेशंस आर रिजेक्टेड।
आप किसके लिए अपीयर हो रहे थे?
दीपेश सावंत।
All right, we're getting those breaking updates there coming in. No bail for Ria, Shouvik and the 4 other accused in this case, Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant, Zayed Vilatra and Basit Parihar. We are still awaiting more updates now coming in the grounds for the rejection there. But right now, the breaking updates coming in. Yesterday, we had seen the case being argued in the Mumbai court on both sides, where the NCB had very categorically mentioned the court that they're looking at, they were saying that both Shouvik and Ria are in fact part of a larger drug syndicate and may in fact influence the witness if released on bail. So that was the side of the NCB. However, right now, we're looking at those further developments coming in, where the Mumbai court has now rejected the bail plea of Ria, Shouvik, Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant, Zayed Vilatra and Basit Parihar. So those are the important updates that are coming in, where all the accused bail plea has been rejected. So it will be very important to see what happens next and what route Ria's team really takes up after this, because this is of course a blow they're coming in for Rhea Chakravarti and Souvik Chakravarti and the 4 others in this case, where the bail plea hearing was underway yesterday. There was long arguments that had taken place from both sides. And today we're looking at those fresh orders coming in from the Mumbai court, which has rejected the bail of all the accused in this case. Now, in this case, we understand it is Rhea Chakravarti and Souvik Chakravarti whose bail has been rejected, along with 4 others whose bail has been rejected, which include Sushant's house manager Samuel Miranda, Sushant's staffer Dipesh Sawant, Zayed Vilatra and Basit Parihar, both of whom were arrested as alleged drug peddlers in this case. So those are the details now coming in at this point. We'll try and get more updates coming in this entire case, but for the moment, this is the latest breaking updates now coming in, where Rhea Chakravarti, Souvik Chakravarti, both of theirs bail has now been rejected by the court. And we're also looking at 4 others in this case: Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant, Zayed Vilatra, Basit Parihar. Their bail has also been now rejected. Now remember, one of the very important aspects and the points that was mentioned by the NCP was the fact that if released on bail, they have the potential to influence the witness, and that was the grounds for the NCP opposing the bail of Rhea and the others in this case. Let me quickly bring in my colleague Sandhya for all the updates now coming in. Sandhya, big development and a big setback they're coming in for Rhea Chakravarti, Souvik and the 4 others in this case. Take us through the details of what happened.
So Mumbai Sessions Court, NDPS designated court, has rejected the bail application of Chakravarti, her brother Souvik Chakravarti, Dipesh Sawant, and 2 alleged drug dealers, Zayed and Basit Parihar. All these people's bail application is rejected today by Mumbai Special NDPS Court. Now we are
All right, we'll try and reconnect with Sandhya in just a bit. We seem to be having a bit of an audio connection issue with her. We'll just get her back in just a bit. She's getting us all the updates there from outside the Mumbai Sessions Court, which, remember, has just rejected Rhea's bail plea. And not just that, the Mumbai Sessions Court has also rejected the bail plea of all the accused in this case, which includes Rhea's brother Souvik Chakravarti, Sushant's house manager Samuel Miranda, Sushant's staffer Dipesh Sawant, the alleged drug peddler Zayed Vilatra, and Basit Parihar as well. So this is going to be extremely crucial to see what happens next in this case and the kind of route that Rhea's legal team really takes at this point. But right now, Rhea Chakravarti to stay in jail for now, as the bail plea of Rhea Chakravarti has been now rejected. Let me once again go back to my colleague Sandhya for all the updates coming in. Sandhya, over to you for the latest updates there.
Yes, Apurva. So we were talking about how the bail plea of Rhea Chakravarti, Souvik Chakravarti, Dipesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda, Zayed Vilatra and Basit Parihar is rejected by Mumbai Special NDPS Court. As of now, we are waiting to hear from the legal teams of all these accused whether or not or when exactly they are going to challenge Sessions Court order in Bombay High Court, whether or not they will do so. On that front, a clarification from the legal teams of any of these lawyers is yet to come, Apurva. But what is decided by Sessions Court is that all these 6 accused will not get a bail in this case from here at least.
All right, while Sandhya, we're still awaiting for a detailed order copy to understand the grounds for rejection, but what were the arguments made by the NCB opposing the bail plea of all the accused?
See, NCB's most strong ground here was that how at this stage, if any of these accused will be granted bail, they will either tamper with the evidences or influence the witnesses, as most of these accused are connected with other witnesses in the case. That is one ground on which NCB strongly opposed the bail applications of all these accused. And NCB also said that as far as other accused are concerned, they have statements showing that how they were connected with each other, and on those bases the arrests were made.
All right, so that is going to be extremely important to see the grounds of rejection, while the NCB very clearly there, Sandhya, maintaining that these accused will have a potential of influencing the witness, and hence they were opposing the bail. What were the grounds that Rhea Shovik, their lawyers, had put forth, the kind of arguments that they had put forth, while we are all still awaiting for understanding the grounds of rejection by the Mumbai Session Court? Help us understand the kind of arguments that took place from the side of Rhea's lawyer.
Ria's lawyer and the legal team actually opposed sought bail on the grounds that how Rhea was actually coerced by NCB into giving a self-incriminatory statement, which actually was retracted by her. Apart from that, it was mentioned that how she NCB has nothing on record to show that she had any connections with any drug peddler or was a part of a drug syndicate, and NCB has absolutely nothing on record to show or to prove any allegations against Rhea. For Shovik, it was mentioned that how during the raids which NCB conducted at that time, no drug, no contraband, or no sale proceed of drug was seized from Shovik's place. Apurva.
All right, Sandhya, very quickly, have you received any kind of update there from Rhea's legal team? What is going to be their next course of action in this case?
As of now, we are waiting for a word from Rhea's legal team whether or not they will approach Bombay High Court, which is the next step if they want to challenge Sessions Court order here. And in most of the cases, actually, in similar circumstances, such orders are challenged in the higher court. But whether or not that's the path Rhea's legal team is going to take, that is still clarification. That is still awaited.
All right, Sandhya, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there. The big update coming in where the bail plea of all the accused in this case, which includes Rhea Shovik, Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant, Zayed Vilatra and Basit Parihar, have now been rejected. We'll continue keeping a close watch on all of these developments. Right now, we are slipping into a very short break. Back in just a bit.